The company Trollerbau, dredging and landscaping from Emstetten near Schaffhausen, located directly on the Swiss border, had been thinking about expanding the company with a new machine technical division for a long time. Since there is an enormous need to renovate forest and agricultural roads with waterbound ceilings in a cost-effective manner in the future, only the innovative Stehr system came into question. During a demonstration on site, everyone present could once again be convinced of the Stehr inventions. An existing path with thick stones, which could not be used by cyclists, should be prepared with the aim of getting it back into a proper condition without having to drive on new material. Here the complete Stehr system, Stone Crusher SSB 240, add-on grader SUG 35T with shoulder milling machine and plate compactor SBV 80H3 with water sprinkler system was used. First, the raised shoulder was milled off with the shoulder milling machine and the material was placed sideways. The new stone milling machine SSB 240 was then used to produce a finely graded road construction material for the surface covering with bending material. Here the crushing tools invented by Stehr showed their unreserved superiority over all other similar systems. In order to produce the aggregate size 0 to 32 mm required for an optimal surface as quickly as possible. Then a roof profile was made so that the water can flow off the newly created path as quickly as possible to the right and left. Finally, the compression took place with the Europe-wide patented Stehr high-frequency compression plates. With these, all data that are required for optimal, fuel-saving compression are shown on a display in the cab. Here, too, the Stehr machines from Upper Hesse were able to convince again and again. Also a feedback from the managing director of Trollerbau.
We at the company Trollerbau were able to convince ourselves today of the machines from the company Stehr. With these machines, forest and field paths can be rehabilitated cost-effectively without having to drive in the new material. Thank you very much for the good demonstration and we look forward to a great cooperation.
You can also find other innovative Stehr ideas at www.stehr.com. And our construction machines in action at www.stehr.tv.